Argon from Amazon. Boom. Okay, got my Argon from Amazon here. Let's get this puppy opened. Comes with some padding in the top, that's nice. And there it is. The beauty. 1006 Argon. This is a 125 cubic foot tank, 125 cubic feet. For the micro spot welding I'm going to be doing, it should last quite a while. Okay, we'll get this thing chained up and put into position. Here's the top of it, looking mighty fine. CGA 580 fitting. Little stringer left over here. Looks great. Here's the Argon tank. Let's get the regulator in. Nice and tight. Alright, let's see if they've got the pressure right. Here we go. Right about 2000 psi. 2000 psi of Argon there. Turn the regulator on here. Let's get a little pressure first. Okay, that's about 4 psi. There you go. We have Argon. Awesome.